Hi, I'm Fernanda. If this is your first time here, James and I travel to different states to take you to the attractions, resorts, and restaurants. Subscribe if you like to see our next video and leave a comment if you got value out on this video.
So this is the place you take your husband and you drop him off if you want to do things in Newport.
Husband daycare.
Husband daycare.
We look after him for you.
Yeah.
You only have to pay for his beer.
And this is the pub.
Beer and food.
This is where you drop him off. So if you want to go shopping,
We should come here for some
you drop off your husband right here. This is a new hotel. Around the corner used to be the Gap store. And now it's a hotel. This is on American Cup Avenue.
donuts. Maybe we ought to try and check that out.
Let me film.
Yeah, I know there were some other donut places here before, but I don't remember being that name. I don't know, maybe it is. Yeah, we could check it out.
Okay, the information center, which used to be near the bus station, is now over here. So we're going to go in and take a look. So we just came down the street, Town Hall, Dickens Theater, the Banana Republic, and the manhole covers are labeled.
This was not here before.
Could be wrong, but I think the Army Navy store shut down. No longer here. Soft as a grave.
I never saw this one.
Closed for the season.
Fat Face. Never heard of it
And
before.
a place called Fat Face. Like a new store. American Cup Inn.
Well, there's this Soul Desire. Must be
Cupcake
shoes.
Charlie's still there.
Look, Soul Desire, that's for shoes.
Yeah.
Irish
Yeah.
luxury over there with jewelry.
So this is Washington Square. We looked at. So this is Wyndham Inn on Long Wharf. And you can see it's right out here near the water. And this is where we're staying right here. Got a fish market, but I hear some lobsters. This is Washington Street. And the entrance is right in here. Right where that car is turning. So this is 5 Washington Street. So this is Wyndham's Long Wharf, 5 Washington Street. And do not get confused with the one that's across the street from it, which is Wyndham Inn on Long Wharf. Okay.